Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can do a quick checkup on your home internet connection to see if there's any services left exposed to the internet which you may have forgotten about. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this website, gammaaxon.com, so that we can leverage their online tools to do this checkup on our home internet connection. This is so we don't have to set up any tools locally on our system, our box, or our laptop, or our PC. Also, it's going to be difficult to check your home internet connection from inside that same network. Typically, you're going to need to be on another network somewhere else on the internet to do this checkup. So really leveraging these web services for this and automations is highly advantageous. Now, if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and register for one here. If you do, go ahead and click the login button. Everything we're doing today is available within the free tier, so you shouldn't have to pay any money to get this done. Once we're logged in, we're going to go ahead and we're going to see a list of the scripts or tools or runners that are available. And the first one that we're going to want to use here is the TCP open ports. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Now, this is going to want us to input an IP address here of our home internet connection that we're going to be checking up on today. So the easiest way to find that is to go to this website, ipcurl.net. When we browse to that, our IP address will appear here in the upper left-hand corner of the website. So we'll just go ahead and copy that. And then when we're inside the runner here, we'll go ahead and paste it. And when we press tab, the run button will appear. So now we'll just go ahead and click the run button. And now this will take a few minutes for it to spin up the tools and to test our home internet connection. So we'll just wait here. You don't need to do anything at this point. This screen will automatically refresh when the results have completed. So when the results have completed, it works similar to this. If you want to download all the results files, you can click this outputs button to download a zip of them. But you can also just analyze the results here in this standard out window. And so here we can see that, port 80 and port 443 exposed. That's because I'm hosting a website on my home network that my friends and family can come to. But then I also see that port 8080 is open. And I don't really know what this is. I can't really remember. Maybe this is something I set up a long time ago and I've now forgotten about, and I should shut off the internet to reduce my risk or exposure. So how are we going to figure out what this is? Well, we can go back to the main page where the tools are, and we can click the detect service of a TCP port tool. And when we go there, it's going to want the IP address. So this will be our home IP address that we got from the ipcurl.net. And then we'll go ahead and insert the port that we're interested in finding more about, which was port 8080. We'll press tab, the run button will appear. We'll click the run button, and then it will go ahead and do a little bit more research on that port for us on our behalf. Now, you don't need to do anything here. This will automatically refresh when it's done. And when it is automatically refreshed, we will see the outputs, which we can download once again in a zip file by clicking the outputs button. We can also just review it. We can see 8080 is a web service. And if we dig into the details a little bit more, we can see the term is Plex is coming back in the response. So that might jog our memory, indicating that we've set up a Plex server in the past and that, we've left that exposed to the internet. Now, if we don't want that to happen, maybe we did that because we were going on a trip and we wanted to access our media remotely, we could log into our router and shut off port 40 for port 8080 and reduce our exposure to attacks from the internet a bit right there. Okay, well, that's really all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I read all the comments and I use them for inspiration for future videos, so I will see you in the next one. Bye.